Good morning. Today I am explaining about normal distribution concept, and this is the third probability distribution. The first one is binomial distribution, second one is Poisson distribution, and those two distributions are related to discrete distribution. But this normal distribution is related to continuous distribution. Continuous distribution means the values we are taking within a given range. That means if we have two values, lower and upper limit, we can find the area between the two values. This normal distribution can also be called as Gaussian distribution. uh, this distribution was discovered by Gaussian, so it is called as Gaussian distribution. Next, whenever uh, we are taking the applications of normal distribution in some situations, like lifetime of items, that means the battery, bulbs, currency, and their lifetime. Second one, length and diameter of pipes, screws, discs, etc. Third one, height and weight of the persons. Fourth one, aggregate marks, the student aggregate marks. And fifth one, weekly sales of any item. So these are the five situations we can see in our normal life, and these are come under normal distribution applications. Next, so one of the example for this normal distribution was taken as weight of men on x-axis, number of men on y-axis. So I have taken highest weight of the person in the middle, and the remaining or least of that weight. So, and this is looking like a pattern, and that pattern is showing this curve. So this is a curve, and that curve is up to extending up to minus infinity to plus infinity, and this is the highest peak of the curve, and that is a symmetrical line, that is x is equal to mu. Mu is here mean, median, and also mode. Why? Because this is a symmetrical curve, and whenever I need this area, I can draw one line here and the next here, 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 like this. So this is left part, so you can write here mu minus sigma, and the next one is mu plus mu minus 2 sigma, and here mu plus sigma, and the next mu plus 2 sigma, like that it is continuing. So these limits, this distribution curve limits are from mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma. So the area under this curve lies between mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma. Next, normal distribution. So how we can define the normal distribution? So this is the normal distribution definition. A random variable x is said to be normal distribution if it assumes both positive or negative value. Then its probability density function is given as f of x is equal to x, or f of x mu sigma. So this normal distribution based on this mu sigma, this is mean and SD, and that form is like 1 by sigma root of 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus mu by sigma whole square, and this x is lie between minus infinity to infinity, and mu is lying between minus infinity to infinity, and sigma is always greater than 0, that is positive. Now this mu and sigma are the two parameters for this normal distribution. So this ND is another limiting case of binomial distribution, and that is for large values of n, and it is neither a p nor q or small in this case. So now coming to standard normal distribution. So this standard normal distribution, the values of mu and sigma, according to mu and sigma. Mu if you take in as 0 and sigma as 1, and that is called as standard normal distribution. And this is also called as unit normal distribution and z trans distribution also. So z is equal to x minus mu by sigma.